All right, welcome back everybody to Vert Dogs. We are here at the Braille house. We've got this amazing vert ramp. I want to say thank you so much to 888-187 and Skate Light for making this ramp nice and grippy. This one's gonna be nuts right here. I'm just saying, we've got Andy Macdonald.
Hey, what's up? I'm Andy Macdonald. I am 48 years old. I'm from San Diego, California. I've been skateboarding about 35 years. Last time I was at the Braille warehouse, I learned a new variation of this trick, but there's a trick called the mummy. And as far as I know, only one other guy knows how to do it. I think that Josh Rodriguez could probably figure it out and do it, but it's just funny because I made it up when I was like 13 years old, and I've been doing it, you know, randomly ever since, and nobody really, it's kind of a silly trick, but the mummy is definitely the one that's the clincher.
We've got Daniel Cuervo.
Hi, my name is Daniel Cuervo. I am from the Dominican Republic. I'm 31 years old and I've been skating for 18 years. So one trick I think I had that not many people have, or maybe no one's had, is nollie 360 chubby feeble fakie on vert.
I am Nigel Jones. You guys have probably seen me. And
I'm Adam Taylor. I'm the judge.
Here are the rules for Vert Dogs. We brought in 8 of the best vert skaters to compete for a $1,500 cash prize. The contestants will play a game of skaters against each other. Each skater will call their trick, and the other has to do the same. If they succeed, they're safe. If they don't land it, then they get a letter. The skaters will alternate setting their tricks. When a skater gets all their letters, they're eliminated, and the winner moves on to the next round. Let's see who's going to take the top spot. Let's get into the event.
All right, Rochambeau for it. You guys can pick. You can do it with your hands, you can flip your boards, you can get weird like Josh and Jeremy did, whatever.
Yeah. Flip our boards, and whoever's board lands on the wheels is who goes first.
Okay.
Ready? Uno, dos, tres.
Oh!
Primo beats all, really? I didn't know.
Primo beats all. Andy Mac goes first. Whoa, all right.
all right, this is about to be the Goliath of all Goliath's games right now. Like, I don't know if y'all ready, but I'm ready for this one.
Counts.
I love that he's asking him.
goes the flawless victory.
It's so hard to battle somebody that has literally almost every trick in their bag, even if they haven't done that trick.
Sorry, he didn't grab his nose enough. Daniel. Letter. I am sorry, but you're gonna have to take the L.
I'm not gonna be nice anymore.
I mean, both his feet came off.
I like it. He's getting specialized. He knows.
Both feet did come off. I think both feet will come off. I'm gonna call it. That is good. Andy.
That's sick.
Oh my goodness! You got that? If you think about it, since he said channel to channel, if he would have put his hand there,
He would have been smoked.
Yeah. Daniel, I'm gonna give you another try. Try to really gap it.
All right, thank you so much, 888-187 pads and Skate Light. The ramp is awesome, but there can only be one winner here today.
Andy Macdonald, legend himself over here.
That was insane.
That was insane.
That was crazy.
Yeah, Andy, that was fun, and time to go home and start doing my homework, you know, learning some tricks from Andy.
Cool part is we both learned new tricks. I never done an invert fakie before with one foot invert fakie. I never did the 360 varial nollie, and then I didn't do it when I should have done it, but I did the switch boneless body varial Cuervo special.
No, but I know this was gonna happen because always I personally like skating, you know, people I've been looking up to, and man, having to skate with Andy, and also in the daily of my skating, I'm too comfortable doing the tricks I always do, and doing some new trick, getting out of our comfort zone, that's what it's all about.
Here's the updated bracket. This series is going to be playing every Wednesday right here on this YouTube channel, or you can watch the entire series now on the Braille Army Plus membership.
Awesome game we have. I hope you guys are enjoying this series that we got right now, the Vert Dogs going on. Congratulations to Andy Mac for winning. We got some videos to my left. Check them out. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if you like this. Let us know what we want to do in the future. See you in the next video.